Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping to light speed with something truly legendary, the LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon, A New Hope 25th Anniversary Collectible Set. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we take off into hyperspace, don't forget to check the link below to grab this set at the best discounted price today. Piece count, 1,579. Minifigures included, Princess Leia, Han Solo, Luke Skywalker, Chewbacca, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and Darth Vader, 25th Anniversary Edition. Age range, 18+, advanced build. Dimensions, approximately 17 inches, L, x 12 inches, W, x 5 inches, H. Series, Star Wars Diorama Collection, A New Hope. Special feature, 25th Anniversary LEGO Star Wars Commemorative Brick and Exclusive Display Plaque. Milky Way emoji, iconic design. Collector worthy. This is more than just a LEGO set, it's a tribute to Star Wars history. Designed with meticulous detail, the Millennium Falcon from A New Hope captures the ship's worn, battle-tested aesthetic with screen-accurate features, including the cockpit, sensor dish, hidden smuggling compartments, and rear engine detailing. The included 25th Anniversary plaque and exclusive Darth Vader minifig give it serious collector status. Astronaut emoji, minifigures that made history. This set brings the original Rebel crew together in one place. You get all the legends. Han Solo with blaster. Princess Leia in classic white. Luke Skywalker with blue lightsaber. Chewbacca with bowcaster. Obi-Wan Kenobi with hood and saber. Darth Vader in special 25th Anniversary armor. Each figure comes with anniversary detailing or accessories that celebrate the original 1977 film, perfect for display or storytelling. Brick emoji, the build experience. This set is designed for adult LEGO fans, offering a moderate to advanced build that's both challenging and rewarding. Whether you're assembling it over a weekend or doing a few bags a night, every step draws you deeper into the galaxy far, far away. From the symmetrical plating to the rotating turrets, every inch feels true to the Falcon's rugged charm. Framed picture emoji, display piece or playset? Both. While built for adults, this Falcon is solid enough for light play, but truly shines as a centerpiece on a shelf or desk. The diorama-style stand and anniversary brick make it a stunning collectible. White check mark emoji, pros. Highly detailed and movie-accurate Millennium Falcon design. 25th Anniversary Edition with exclusive Darth Vader figure. Great mix of build complexity and display appeal. Includes core cast of characters from A New Hope. Premium packaging and presentation for collectors. Warning emoji, cons. Not UCS sized, for those expecting a massive build. Some small stickers, minor, but worth noting. Could use interior detailing, more for display than play. Speech bubble emoji, final verdict. The LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon, A New Hope 25th Anniversary set is a must-have for collectors, Star Wars fans, and LEGO enthusiasts alike. It combines nostalgia, detailed craftsmanship, and a celebratory tribute to one of the most iconic ships in sci-fi history. If you're looking for a meaningful display piece that honors the saga that started it all, this is your ship.